Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I am fine. So student, today we are learn for chapter number 17, Tejal in Ahmedabad. Okay, now first of all open your textbook for subject environment, page number 1 to 9. Open it. Very good. Now we are started for first of all reading. Right. Okay, I come to Ahmedabad a month ago for my mother's treatment. I come to Ahmedabad a month ago for my mother's treatment. My mother has been admitted in the hospital. My mother has been admitted in the hospital. सो पिंक कलर से लिखा है द बिग सिटी अहमदाबाद. बिग सिटी इन अहमदाबाद. आई हैव स्लोली गॉट यूज टू द सिटी. आई हैव slowly got used to the city. I still remember the day when my mother and I got off the train at the Ahmedabad station. It was so crowded, I quickly caught hold of my mother's hand. I was thinking about how Mama would find us in the crowd. Just then, I heard someone calling loudly from behind, Tejal, Tejal. I turned back, and there was Mama. We left the station and were soon on our way to Mama's house. Now, turn your पेज नंबर 130. देखो यहाँ पे दो पिक्चर दिख रहे हैं. एक मामा के घर का है और वो एक फर्स्ट पिक्चर है वो मामा और उसकी बहन और वो तेजल है वो अपने घर जा रहे हैं. और सेकंड पिक्चर में मामा का हाउस है, दिख रहा है ना. यस. उसके नीचे बट इट वॉज वेरी क्राउडेड एवरीवेयर. देयर वर मेनी हट्स lined up all along the narrow street. We walked through the street to reach Mama's house. Mama, Mommy, and their two daughters and a son all live in one room. Now I to live here with them. It is here that we sit, sleep, cook, and wash, all in one room. My house in the village also has only one room, but we have separate places for cooking and for bathing. We also have a courtyard outside. उसके नीचे है water. Rutwa, Mommy and I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. Oh no, you would not believe how many fights are there for water. If we are just a little late, then we are not able to fill water for the day. There is no tap in our house in the village too. The pound in the village has water. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. In summer, sometimes the water in the pound dies out. Then we have to walk for almost an hour to the river to get water. Next page. But in the village there were no fight for water. In the street where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one and everyone in the street used that toilet. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. In the beginning, I felt like vomiting. At times there is no water. We have to take water with us. Now I am getting used to all this. In the village, people go to the open places or fields for toilet. The men and women go to different places. ओके उसके नीचे जो टू क्वेश्चन है वो हम लोग बाद में करेंगे. टर्न योर पेज नंबर 132. लर्नड, उसके नीचे लिखा है लर्नड. नाउ एवरी डे आई गो टू द हॉस्पिटल बाय बस टू सी माई मदर. At first, I was too scared to get into such crowded buses. I was not at all used to it. I was afraid. But now it is not like that. I know how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down. Where we stay, there is a tall building nearby. My mommy works in 7 houses there. She washes, unseals, and cleans the houses. Next page. One day I went there with her. When I first saw the building, I thought that it was one big house, but I found that there were many houses, one on top of other. I was wondering how I would climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take people up and down. It was like a big iron cab with fan, light, and even a bell. So many of us rode into the lift. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. Really, I was very scared in the beginning. उसके नीचे है टेल. Has any of your relative been admitted to a hospital? आपके रिलेटिव कभी भी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है, सो आपको यहाँ पे उसके बारे में लिखना है. ठीक है. उसके नीचे है अनदर हाउस. मामी took me first to hers house. His house was on the 12th floor. What a big house! So many rooms, one to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. Their toilet was also in the house. It took Mommy a lot of time to clean her house, but she called work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. Turn your page number 134. Hers has put a bucket below the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. I did not like it. I went closet the tap. Hers house has big glass windows. Mommy told me to look down from the window. I could see Mama's street and the houses, but I could not make out which was his house. From up there, everything below looked like small toys. I was quite afraid to look down from such a height. देखो उसके नीचे पिक्चर दिया गया है ना. Yes. Now next page number 135. यहाँ पे लिखा है what were the difference between the houses where Mama lived and the house is the high-rise buildings. मामा का घर और हाई बिल्डिंग के बारे में आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। ठीक है, आपने आपका मामा का घर का और आपने जो हाई बिल्डिंग देखा है उसके बारे में आपको ये इसमें तब कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सेंटेंस लिखने हैं। ठीक है, उसके नीचे है ड्रॉ अ सर्कल अराउंड द काइंड ऑफ हाउस यू लिव इन। इज इट लाइक द हाउस ऑफ तेजल, मामा, हर्ष एंड एनी अदर काइंड। सो आपको यहाँ पे कुछ सर्कल करने हैं और उसके नीचे देखो येलो और ब्लू कलर के बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं। हाउ फेयर आर द प्लेसेस गिवन बिलो फॉर योर हाउस। आपके घर से बस स्टेशन कितने दूर है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। टाइम टू वॉक इन मिनट्स, आप कितने मिनट्स में वहाँ पे पहुँचते हो और डिस्टेंस आपके घर से बस स्टेशन का डिस्टेंस कितना है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। ठीक है, स्कूल पहुँचने में आपको कितने मिनट्स लिखते हैं वो आपको लिखना है और डिस्टेंस कितने किलोमीटर है वो भी आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं। ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे अपने हिसाब से लिखना है। नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 136 a new trouble. Mama has said that he will take me around to see Ahmedabad. The children around her here talk a lot about riverfront. They are telling that big film stars, ladders, and sports persons also come there. Maybe when I go there, I might see them there. These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to riverfront. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. This place belongs to government, so it should be vacated. Mama is saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such notices. People who live here have been given other place to make their houses, but it is a little fair. Mama will have to spend more money and time to reach at his workplace. Mommy will have to find some other work. How will I be able to visit my mother? Yet mother is not completely well. Okay, so student, आज का आपका होमवर्क है, ये चैप्टर आपको पढ़ना है और जो मैंने आपको लिखने के लिए बोला है वो आपको आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग कुछ एक्सरसाइज के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, बाय।